Basic PHP form validation. Validation is a process of checking the input data submitted by the user from client machine. There are two types of validation available in PHP. They are as follows: client-side validation and server-side validation. Client-side validation. The input data validations are performed on the client machine's web browsers using client-side scripts like JavaScript or adding required attribute in HTML input tags. Server-side validation. After the submission of data, validations are performed on the server side using the programming like PHP, ASP or JSP, etc. available in the server machine. Form validation. A HTML form will take input from the site visitor and then will post it to a backend application such as CGI, ASP script or PHP script, etc. The backend application will perform required processing on the parsed data based on defined business logic inside the application. Validation rules for HTML input field. For example, for the input text box, text input, we can give the validation process like should require letters and white spaces. For email, should require @ and dot strings. For website, it should require a valid URL. For radio button, must be selectable minimum one value. For checkbox, must be checkable minimum one value. For drop down list box, must be selectable minimum one value. Like this, we can validate the input from the client side. Client side validation. Before sending the data to server side program, the programmer can write few validations from browser in the client machine. For this validation, we have to add additional required attribute in HTML input tag. For example, this is the required attribute in HTML, welcome. This is the text input, name required, and the submit, the input type submit button. So here, this is the form, username, there must be some input. If it is not contain any input, we have to give the attribute, required attribute, please fill in this field. Then they have to click the submit button. Forms and files. Forms and files are most important concepts that the PHP web development processes. This is a simple example for a form. HTML forms. Main objective of PHP and HTML form controls are to collect data from the users. In the web development, user access website or web pages from remote client machine and feed the data to the server. These data are collected via HTML form controls like text box, drop down box and radio button, etc. and sent to server using server side programming like PHP. Basic HTML form controls. The following control types are available in HTML form controlling: text inputs, buttons, checkbox, radio box, file select, form tag, etc. Basic HTML form controls. Text inputs. Text inputs contain text box and text area controls. Buttons or command buttons. Buttons may contain submit button, reset button and cancel button. Checkbox is the important feature which selects more than one value from HTML form. Radio box. Radio box is similar to checkbox, but one value can be chosen at a time. File select is the best feature to select one file from the local machine to server machine at a time. Form tag is used to mention a method, either post or get, and control the entire form controls in the HTML document. PHP basic form handling. When the user keying the input data in HTML controls and clicks the submit button, the request will be generated and reaches the PHP file which is mentioned in the form tag under the action attribute. All input values are synchronized and sent to the server via post method or get method. Method is an attribute form tag in HTML. Once the data reaches the server, two PHP variables such as post and get collects the data and prepares the response accordingly. Post method. The input data sent to the server with post method is stored in the request body of the client's HTTP request. Get method. The input data sent to the server with post method via URL address is known as query string. All input data are visible by user after they clicks the submit button. This example, here the HTML documents begins and here it ends. Here the form action, the form action is, they mention the PHP file, welcome.php. The method is post. Here they are getting the input and email as the input with the help of text box, and finally there is a command button called submit. So here the PHP works here and it displays name and email. PHP basic form handling. HTML file contains two text boxes that we have seen, name and email, one button and one form tag. The remote server PHP file is welcome.php. Is mentioned in the form tag under the action attribute. In welcome.php file, PHP variables such as post and get collects the data and prepares the response accordingly. Eventually, the user will receive the output response in the client machine's browser screen. This is the output of the form. Here the name is mentioned and it's a text box, and email is another text box, and there is here command button, that is submit. So the output will be, when you print here, the output will be welcome Seduraman, your email address is